She has devoted many years to society through various charitable and cooperative initiatives. She has also served as the director of Gauda Saraswat Sevak Samaj Cooperative Society for nearly 10 years, where she contributed significantly towards organization, development and community-oriented activities. Apart from social work, Mrs. Malati Nayak is fashionable about bridal makeup and beauty care. She enjoys working as a beautician and takes great interest in enhancing traditional bridal artistry. She is also deeply fond of devotional music and especially enjoys listening to and singing bhajans, which bring peace and spiritual joy to her life. She greatly acknowledges her achievements and service activities which have been possible because of her lovely husband, Mr. Premanand Nayak. Mrs. Malati Nayak continues to inspire others through her dedication to social service, cultural values and creative talents. आता मोइन मायन येवनो मालत मायंग कोंकणी कलाश्री अवॉर्ड कन्फर्म करका म्हण रिक्वेस्ट करता. तशीची वेदिकेर आसूचे कांती मायन आनी
विनायक वेंकटेश प्रभू जॉइन जावका म्हण विनंती. आमगेले मालत मेल अनेक विषय सांगचे म्हळ्यार ती मस्त ब्रिदल तांकां आमगेले नववधूक कोणाक दिवचें जायना की तांकां मस्त फ्री तांकां हेअरस्टाईल मेकअप वाडिके पळोवपा केला. तांणी आतांय सांगता जी आमगेले वाडिकेक मालत मायन फोन मारलेले आमी